Welcome to another episode of Jumpin In The Pot. I'm your host, Marcia, and today this is what's jumping in my pot. Corner takeout, pork fried rice, and Chinese fried chicken wings. Let's get to the ingredients. These are the ingredients I will be using for my Chinese fried chicken wings. Chinese cooking wine, an egg, soy sauce, salt, white pepper, onion powder, garlic powder, Chinese 5-spice, flour, cornstarch. Now, to save time, I've already marinated my chicken wings overnight in these ingredients. So let's move to the next step. I have a pan here with oil in it heating up so I can fry the chicken wings in. This is the chicken that was being marinated overnight. You make sure the oil is hot, very hot. And this is how you test it. I have here a skewer and I put it in the pan and it's bubbled up. If it's bubbled up, that means it's good to fry the chicken with. It's hot enough. Let's see how the chicken has been jumping in the wok. Yeah, look at it. Really coming along very nicely. We have to cook it here for another 10 minutes or until it's done. We will flip it over again and cook the other side till it's thoroughly cooked through. Use another cooking on this side. So we'll leave it here until it cooks on that side. I have a sheet pan here set up, lined with foil paper and parchment paper, and a rack over it to put the chicken on to drain it when it comes out of the wok from frying. Now let's check and see if it's ready to come out. You see? We'll let these cook here for another minute. Now that I've finished frying the chicken wings, now we're going to move on to the next step, pork fried rice. These are the ingredients I will be using. This is the char siu barbecue pork that I made earlier. Hoisin sauce, oyster sauce, soy sauce, sesame oil, peas and carrots, onions and scallions, red and green pepper, minced garlic, eggs, and of course, the jasmine rice, which I cooked yesterday. Now let's get to the first step. I have a wok here with 3 tablespoons of oil in it, which I'm going to fry the eggs first in. We're going to beat up the eggs. I have the egg in the wok, and we're going to make it like scrambled eggs. So only need about 2 minutes to cook. Now I'm going to take the eggs out and move to the next step. Now we're going to put in the garlic. Saute up the garlic a little bit, and then we're going to add in the rice with the garlic. Now the rice has sauteed up with the garlic. I'm taking it out now. So we can move on to the next step, is sauteing the vegetables. Now that I've taken the rice out of the wok, we're going to add the vegetable in now. We let this saute up now for about 3 minutes before we move to the next step. After the vegetables have sauteed up for 3 minutes, we add the rice back in and the char siu pork and the sauce. And we let it saute up for about another 5 minutes, and then we add in the eggs. The eggs will be the last thing we add in. Look at the vegetables jumping in the wok. Now it's time to add the rice back into the wok. We add the saucing now. Now we add the porky, the char siu pork. We're going to let it all saute up here together for about another 5 minutes. Then after 5 minutes, we will add the eggs back into the fried rice. I just added the eggs in now, and we're going to saute this up together for about 2 minutes. Then we'll be ready to serve our corner takeout. Here you have it, your corner takeout. Chinese fried chicken wings and pork fried rice. If you like what you saw today, please subscribe, like, and share. And follow me on Instagram, TikTok, and Facebook. I will see you soon in another video. Bye.